Welcome back to WealthWise Academy, where we unravel the mysteries of personal finance and wealth building. In today's video, we're diving into the captivating world of the stock market. We'll explore what it is, how it works, and its significance in the global economy. So, if you're eager to unlock the secrets of the stock market, stay tuned, because we've got an exciting journey ahead. Many people believe that comprehending the stock market is challenging, but WealthWise Academy is here to debunk that myth. In this video, we'll provide you with a basic understanding of the stock market, setting you up for a successful journey in the world of stocks. If you find this information valuable, our knowledgeable team would greatly appreciate your support through subscribing, liking, and sharing our content, as it keeps us motivated and driven to create more helpful content. So, without any delay, let's dive right in. What are stocks? Stocks, also known as shares or equities, represent ownership in a company. When you buy a stock, you become a shareholder and essentially own a small portion of that company. The stock market provides a platform where these shares are bought and sold among investors. Let's dive into the details. 1. Ownership in a company. When you buy a stock, you are purchasing a stake in the company's ownership. As a shareholder, you have certain rights, such as voting on important corporate decisions and receiving a portion of the company's profits, called dividends, if the company pays them. 2. Types of stocks. There are two main types of stocks: common stocks and preferred stocks. Common stocks are the most prevalent and give shareholders voting rights. Preferred stocks, on the other hand, usually do not carry voting rights but have a fixed dividend payment, providing more stability in terms of income. 3. How stocks are issued. Companies issue stocks through an initial public offering, IPO, in the primary market. During an IPO, the company offers a portion of its ownership to the public for the first time. After the IPO, the stocks are traded in the secondary market, where investors buy and sell shares among themselves. 4. Stock prices. The price of a stock is determined by supply and demand in the market. If many investors want to buy a particular stock, high demand, its price will increase. Conversely, if many investors want to sell it, high supply, the price will decrease. 5. Stock indices. To track the overall performance of the stock market or specific sectors, stock indices like the S&P 500, Dow Jones Industrial Average, DJIA, and Nasdaq Composite are used. These indices represent a basket of selected stocks and reflect the overall market trends. 6. Risks and rewards. Investing in stocks can be rewarding, as stocks have historically provided higher returns compared to other assets over the long term. However, stocks also carry inherent risks, as their prices can be volatile and subject to market fluctuations. It's essential to consider your risk tolerance and investment goals before investing in stocks. 7. Research and analysis. Before investing in a stock, it's crucial to conduct thorough research and analysis on the company's financial health, performance, management, and industry trends. Many investors use fundamental and technical analysis to make informed decisions. 8. Long-term perspective. Investing in stocks often requires a long-term perspective, as short-term market fluctuations are common. Patient and disciplined investors are more likely to see positive returns over time. What is the stock market? To gain a comprehensive grasp of the stock market, it's essential to delve into its fundamental nature. The stock market represents a dynamic collection of exchanges where individuals buy and sell shares of publicly held companies. These significant financial transactions occur through formal exchanges and over-the-counter (OTC) marketplaces, meticulously regulated by a defined set of rules and guidelines. In this intricate web of financial interactions, investors and traders alike converge to engage in the vibrant world of stock trading, paving the way for exciting opportunities and potential wealth accumulation. Key takeaways. Now, let's delve into some essential key takeaways that you should always keep in mind when it comes to understanding the stock market. 1. Stock markets serve as dynamic platforms where buyers and sellers interact, engaging in the exchange of equity shares of publicly held companies. It's like a bustling marketplace where investors come together to trade shares, enabling the flow of capital and investment across various sectors. 2. Beyond being just a trading arena, stock markets are fundamental pillars of a free market economy. They uphold the principles of democratized access to trading opportunities and the exchange of capital. This means that regardless of one's background or financial standing, the stock market provides an equal opportunity for individuals to participate in investment activities and potentially benefit from the growth of companies. 3. One of the stock market's most vital functions is to facilitate efficient price discovery and dealings. This involves determining the fair market value of a company's shares based on supply and demand dynamics. As market participants compete in an open environment, the market is continuously working to ensure that prices accurately reflect the underlying value of the assets being traded. 4. In the United States, the stock market operates under strict regulatory oversight to maintain investor confidence and market integrity. The Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, and local regulatory bodies play a crucial role in supervising the activities of the stock market. They set and enforce rules and regulations to safeguard investors' interests and maintain fair and orderly trading practices. Understanding these key takeaways will help you navigate the complexities of the stock market and make informed decisions as you embark on your investment journey. So, remember to keep these fundamental points in mind as you explore the world of stocks and financial markets. It's all about empowerment through knowledge, and with a firm grasp of these key takeaways, you'll be better equipped to navigate the ever-evolving landscape of the stock market. How the stock market works. Let's now delve into the intricate workings of the stock market and understand its dynamic functions. The stock market operates as a secure and meticulously regulated environment, offering market participants a trustworthy platform to engage in transactions involving shares and various eligible financial instruments. This environment ensures participants can navigate with confidence and experience minimal operational risk. Governed by a set of well-defined rules established by regulators, the stock market serves as a crucial conduit for both primary and secondary markets, facilitating seamless investment activities for individuals and institutions alike. The primary market. In the primary market, companies have the opportunity to issue and offer their shares to the public for the first time through a process called an initial public offering, IPO. An IPO is a significant event for companies as it allows them to access crucial capital from investors, which in turn aids in their growth and expansion endeavors. By making their shares available to the public, companies can attract a wide range of potential investors who believe in their vision and want to be a part of their journey to success. Through this fundamental aspect of the stock market, companies can secure the financial resources needed to realize their goals and propel their businesses to new heights. The secondary market. In contrast to the primary market, the secondary market offers a platform for investors to engage in the buying and selling of securities they already possess. This dynamic marketplace plays a pivotal role in generating liquidity, ensuring that market participants can readily access fair and transparent pricing for their securities. By facilitating continuous trading and interactions among investors, the secondary market fosters an environment of financial fluidity and efficiency, allowing individuals to adjust their portfolios and capitalize on investment opportunities with ease. If you found this information valuable, our team has compiled a list of the best stocks to buy now, giving you a head start in your investment journey. To access this exclusive video, simply click on the card above. And, of course, don't forget to show your support by liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel. Functions of the stock market. Within the realm of financial markets, the stock market plays a pivotal role by performing a multitude of crucial functions. One such fundamental function is to ensure absolute price transparency, allowing all market participants to have equal access to information for the fair pricing of securities. Additionally, the stock market fosters a high degree of liquidity, facilitating smooth and efficient transactions for buyers and sellers alike. Moreover, the stock market serves as a platform for precise price discovery, collectively determining the value of stocks through the interactions of buyers and sellers. Furthermore, the market is designed to uphold principles of fairness in all dealings, providing a level playing field for investors and safeguarding their interests throughout the trading process. In essence, the stock market operates as a dynamic entity that orchestrates these essential functions to maintain order and integrity within the financial ecosystem. How stock markets are regulated. Stock markets operate under strict regulatory oversight from local financial regulators or monetary authorities to ensure the integrity and fair conduct of market activities. In the United States, the Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, assumes the crucial role of overseeing the stock market, operating independently and diligently to safeguard the interests of investors while fostering a conducive environment for capital formation and economic growth. Through its vigilant supervision, the SEC upholds market transparency and accountability, instilling confidence in market participants and promoting a level playing field for all investors. Significance of the stock market. The stock market holds immense significance as a crucial pillar of a free market economy. One of its key roles is to empower companies by providing them with the means to raise essential funds, fostering growth and expansion. Simultaneously, it offers individual investors the opportunity to participate in the financial success of these companies, paving the way for wealth creation and financial prosperity. Additionally, the stock market serves as a dynamic platform, effectively channeling savings and investments into productive ventures, thus contributing significantly to the overall economic growth and development of the nation. After delving into the comprehensive guide on the intricacies of the stock market, you now possess the knowledge that can unlock doors to exciting investment opportunities, empowering you to approach your financial decisions with confidence and wisdom. If you found this video enlightening and valuable, we warmly encourage you to express your appreciation through likes, shares, and subscribing to our channel. By doing so, you'll stay updated with more enriching content on personal finance and wealth building, ensuring you continue on the path of financial savvy and continuous knowledge expansion. Until our next encounter, remember to stay financially informed and keep growing on your financial journey.